trials bike in a lake today. It should be interesting. Check this out. Not too shabby. Stick around, it's going to be interesting. I gotta be honest, you guys, that is pretty interesting and pretty fun. I've never done that on my little trials bike. Look at the size of this lake. It goes, it's huge. So awesome. This is absolutely crazy. I love it. Breadstick, always need a breadstick. Stove, crackers, and my wonderful neighbor gave me some potato soup. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's not even windy. I don't even think we need a windscreen today. We do need a beautiful. Always pre-clean your bowl. I'm not good for that. Make sure your stove's off, doesn't hurt either. I can already taste potato soup right now. Oh my gosh. I'll take a break here. Let me get it going. Oh yes. You can never lose with a cheese bun. Ever. Especially if they're fresh. Oh, that's uber fresh. Or home cooked by your neighbor potato soup. Can't lose with that either. These little stoves work pretty good, I gotta say. It all packs into this size of a can. Oh yeah. You guys wouldn't like it. Well, that's getting warm. That's my view behind me. Not too shabby. We gotta get eating and have some fun and then get out of here, because what happens, that road's fairly steep actually, and the snow warms up and then you can't get up there. Kind of turns slushy. I can winch out, but I'd rather not. Oh my gosh. Crackers, cheese bun, super hot potato soup, which you guys would not like. Oh. Wouldn't like it. Oh, and that view, really? It's about a week after my birthday, January 18th. I was hoping to do something like this on my birthday, but it wasn't very nice weather. Not like this anyway. Wow, tickled. Wow. Take you guys on a quick tour. I can't remember the amount of islands that this lake has, but you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's 20 or 30 or maybe way more than that. I can't even remember, but I'll put a link up in the cards here to I did a bit of a tour on my bike a few years ago on this lake. Pretty beautiful. People got cabins along the mountain over there. Not bad at all. Hope the new gimbal is working out good. Should keep my footage nice and steady now. Right on. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely like this button, hit the subscribe button. You never know what we're going to get up to on this channel and you don't want to miss it. Also hit the bell notification. Drop some comments, thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next crazy video. Right on.